It's inviting.
Spindle grill.
The great thing about it, like if you look back here, the lights mirror like a Learjet. You know, like when a Learjet is leaving. The lights look like they're going forever.
Oh,
so
wow.
When you're passing your vehicle, the lights kind of going on for it.
That is cool. Look at the interior of this thing. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite coupes. So to a lot of people, these are when trucks were really trucks. Look at this old Ford. And they have a nice International next to it. Followed up by a classic Chevy. So this is the new Lincoln Aviator. From the side profile, it's definitely taking cues from the Range Rover. Has that slope back. Beautiful, beautiful SUV. So taking you inside of this new Aviator. Guys, this is amazing. This is truly, truly a beautiful, beautiful SUV. And it is just amazing how Lincoln has kind of revolutionized the look of their vehicles. In the back seat, I would prefer this to be a bench, and I'm sure you can order it with a bench here, but I prefer this to be a bench. I feel like you're giving up a seat when you don't. Nice touchscreen display there. This is third row. Seats 2 in the back. I imagine this is built off of the same body as the Explorer, but I could be wrong.
That came from his dad owns like a demolition company.
So here is the new Jeep Gladiator Rubicon trim. Pretty much a Wrangler Rubicon with a truck bed.
What do you think?
And it's a pretty well-equipped truck bed. Has bed lighting, has a spray-in bed liner, and it's got the rail system to clamp stuff down. This is pretty cool. And it has a slow opening tailgate. This is pretty cool, actually. It's going to be a little narrower than most trucks, but it is very nice. There's a roll cage integrated into it. It sits nice and low. You can actually reach right over the side and touch the bed. So this would be a good competitor for most mid-sized trucks. Very nice. So, can you guess what this is? What vehicle do you think we are looking at right now? About to give it away. It is simply ridiculous how nice they made the interior with this really crazy color on the Navigator. The seat is like a complex computer because it's like 24-way adjustable. Look at the back seat in this thing. Look at the lines. When Lincoln went out to disrupt Escalade sales, they did it the right way. Everything just screams high end. This is one beautiful SUV. Look at the bolstering on this seat. I love the headlights. The LED lights, when you turn them on, they actually do this swooping effect.
Is that right?
Like how this whole section here, when the windows is up, it's uninterrupted black. Very nice sweeping effect. And of course, you got your controls here. You want to put the seats up. And here is the Ram Power Wagon. I know a lot of people would love for me to do a review on one of these and get it all muddy.
Yeah. I don't know.
Of course, as with all Power Wagons, it comes with the 6.4 liter Hemi. I do have to be honest, I had wished they had gone away from these flip-up style mirrors to more of a retractable mirror. Overall though, it's a good looking truck. Guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to visit my channel and join me at the North American International Auto Show for 2019 in Detroit. It has been a really fun time here. We've spent a lot of time in the city, really exploring the area. It's a very cultural, very diverse and beautiful area. The folks here have just been super nice. Anyways, we are heading back to Texas. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.